This is a book ball summary of the book Stress Less, Accomplish More by Emily Fletcher. Trying to meditate and not being able to clear your mind has made you feel like a failure. In your busy schedule, you may not have the time to develop a meditation practice. Perhaps your company offers meditation classes and you're interested in learning more. If any of this sounds familiar to you, you've come to the right place. The author founded Ziva Meditation for people just like you. Her goal is to bring the benefits of meditation to high achievers with busy schedules by drawing upon ancient wisdom. Learn about mindfulness, meditation, and manifesting, the three mental tools that make up the Ziva Technique. You'll learn the science behind meditation and how reducing stress can sharpen your cognitive abilities. It can also improve your mental and physical health and cause a positive ripple effect across every aspect of your life. Number 1. Meditation transforms your life. In 2008, the author was suffering from anxiety, insomnia, and constant illness, until she observed a fellow understudy who seemed exceptionally calm despite being under the same pressures. She replied that she meditated. At first, the author was skeptical that meditation could help improve someone's performance. But soon, she found herself on a journey that would change her life forever. The author's meditation journey began when she decided to attend a session held by her fellow actress's meditation teacher. She soon recovered her hair colour and became a better performer. The benefits of meditation were so transformative that the author began to worry why more people weren't meditating. Her new practice helped her clarify her goals, and she ultimately dropped out of Broadway to become a meditation teacher. During her 3 years of study, she developed a technique for busy people called Nishkam Karma Yoga, which doesn't require focused concentration or even an attempt to clear your mind. 10 years after beginning her meditation journey, she gave a keynote presentation at a biohacking conference in Greece called A-Fest. She felt completely at ease on stage and her performance received a standing ovation, and the event became a career highlight. Number 2. Meditation eliminates stress from your past. Many of us think that we need stress in order to be successful, and at one point in human history, that was true. For our ancestors, the body's ability to create a fight or flight stress response was the difference between survival and being devoured by a tiger or some other deadly predator. Sadly, most of us find our bodies trapped in this fight or flight mode, leaving a backlog of stress in our cellular memory. And while stress might be helpful for fighting off tigers, it isn't helpful for modern day problems, such as dealing with heartbreak or preparing for a deadline. Meditation eliminates stress from your past and alters your brain. Stress increases our heart rates, cortisol production and adrenaline levels, and impairs our nervous system and immune system, making us more susceptible to bacteria and viruses. When you meditate, you de-excite your nervous system, which temporarily decreases the rate at which it consumes oxygen. This allows your body to expel stress that has been building up over the past hours, days, or even years. Meditators have known of these benefits for thousands of years. But modern science has shown that meditation actually alters your brain's biology. This means that regular meditators have a thicker corpus callosum, which improves the connection between the left and the right part of the brain. Scientists believe that meditation is a method of reaching a higher state of consciousness, called the bliss field. This state of consciousness is deeply healing, even more than sleep. Number 3. Meditation is a deep bodily rest that improves your health. Sleeping, waking, dreaming. These are all states of consciousness that you've already experienced. But they aren't the only ones. Brain scans show that when someone is meditating, the entire brain lights up. Scientists believe this reveals that meditation is a method of reaching a higher state of consciousness. Some people call this fourth state of consciousness transcendence, but the author prefers to call it the bliss field. The bliss field doesn't only feel great though, it's also deeply healing. In fact, it heals even more than sleep. When you meditate, your body experiences a state of rest that is 2 to 5 times more intense than sleep. This rest is deeply energizing. But if you think you can replace it with a quick cup of coffee, think again. Caffeine works by blocking your brain's receptors for the sleep-inducing hormone adenosine, synthetically masking your need for sleep. Meditation, on the other hand, helps you tap into a well of energy and natural resources that are already inside of you. When you meditate, you release the hormones serotonin and dopamine throughout your body. So, meditation makes you more energetic and productive. But there's more. It also improves your quality of sleep. Just ask one of the author's students, financial advisor Amber Shirley. After years of suffering from anxiety and insomnia, Amber started taking classes at Ziva Meditation. Within 1.5 weeks, she was enjoying a deep and undisturbed sleep as soon as she went to bed. Amber kept practicing, allowing her nervous system to de-excite over a longer period. 5 years later, she only needed 4 to 6 hours sleep in the warmer months, and 8 hours during the winter. So, there's yet another benefit to meditation. But we're not done yet. The healing powers of meditation go even deeper, to your immune system. By calming your nervous system, meditation gives your immune system a boost so that it can perform better when it encounters viruses and bacteria. It also fosters healing on a cellular level. Infertility, irritable bowel syndrome, and migraines are just a few of the health conditions that meditation can help treat. That's not to say that you shouldn't seek medical treatment too, but it does make meditation a great complement to any medical care you may receive. Number 4. Enter your meditation from a place of mindfulness. By this point, you're probably raring to learn how to meditate and reap the superhuman rewards. But, you ask, isn't meditation mainly for monks or yoga fanatics sitting with impossibly erect spines? Luckily, the answer's no. There's a meditation method that's designed specifically for everyday, working people. It's called the Ziva, or Z Technique. The Ziva Technique is a simple meditation method that you can do anywhere and anytime. It requires mindfulness, which helps you to stop ruminating about the past or worrying about the future. To practice mindfulness, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and tune in with all 5 senses. This entire process should take you about 2 minutes. You'll gently transition into the meditation phase of your practice by using a mantra, which is a word or sound used to focus the mind and de-excite your nervous system, helping you to settle into a deep, healing rest. For the purpose of the Z Technique, the mantra you'll be using is 1. Let the word 1 slowly come into your consciousness, and begin to repeat it over and over again. If other thoughts bubble up, don't worry. Simply redirect your attention back to the mantra, and continue meditating. A good target for the length of your meditation is 13 to 14 minutes. Once you've completed the meditation phase, you're ready for the final step of the Z Technique. Number 5. Come out of your meditation by manifesting. If your alarm jolts you out of a deep meditation too quickly, you can end up with the meditation bends. Instead, use a watch face or a suitable replacement app like the clocks to time your meditation. Manifesting is a technique that helps you clarify your desires, dreams, or goals for the future. It involves taking the time to imagine a life you love so that you can find the best way to get there. After thinking about what you're grateful for, imagine one personal goal as if it were your reality in the present moment. This is the first mental step toward realizing it. This doesn't mean that practicing manifesting will make all your dreams come true. Ironically, once you start meditating regularly, you'll find yourself becoming less and less attached to the outcome of things. Rather than dwelling on everyday failures, you'll perceive the obstacles you face as new opportunities for growth. You might even end up pivoting to a different path entirely. Number 6. Your first weeks of meditating will be challenging. Think about meditation as hygiene for your body. Set your alarm for 20 minutes before your usual wake-up time and get your first practice in then. Think about meditation as hygiene for your body. It should become a new part of your daily routine, something as important as brushing your teeth. For this to happen, you need to make your meditation practice non-negotiable. But try to meditate before you eat breakfast or reach for a cup of coffee so that you don't counteract the effects of your sitting. Your second meditation should be scheduled into your calendar for the first 21 days. It can be any time between noon and 8 in the evening. Many people who are new to meditation will experience an emotional detox in the first few days or weeks of practicing. This can be challenging. Some people will experience more anxiety than usual. Others may feel overwhelmingly compelled to steer their lives in a different direction. Still, others might experience inexplicable tears, nausea, vivid dreams, or brain fog. It's best to avoid making major life decisions in the first 2 weeks and alert your partner or family about potential side effects. What's your most important key takeaway? Please comment down below and share the video if you like it. Check out these other 2 videos. Thank you, and until next time.